Little bubbaroonies are ready to pop. They're ready to fly. Bluebirds. You might actually get to see them pop out of the box here. As long as the meteoroid doesn't hit the Earth, we should be good.